Hey guys, how's it going? How to monitor voting machine security. So, understand the system. Familiarize yourself with the types of voting machines used in your area and their security features, and monitor any signs of physical tampering or unauthorized access to voting machines. Ensure proper procedures are followed regarding the transport and storage of voting machines and their components, and then encourage the presence of trained election monitors or poll watchers to oversee the electoral process, and follow updates from election officials and cybersecurity experts regarding any vulnerabilities or incidents. Immediately report any suspicious activity or security concerns to election officials. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.